Good morning, South Sudanese. This is Ruth Nyalel James Kair, and I'm here to respond to something that I don't like, and I did not take lightly because this hate speech, I don't take them lightly. There's this guy called Wet Jinup, or Sajid Wet Jinup, and he came out and he said that the Nuer people should pray so that nothing happened to President Salva or Juba will not take all of us. When you look at this statement, I remember the 2013 massacre of the Nuer in Juba from 15 to 18, 2013. And it shouldn't be taken. Why should Nuer be the one to pray for Salva Kiir's safety? And if Nuer really want to pray, of course, we want to see Salva Kiir dying in front of us, in our eyes. We don't want Salva Kiir to die in hospital. No, in hidden doors. No, we want to see because we have suffered. Salva Kiir feed the Nuer people with their flesh. He made the Nuer eat. He made the Nuer women sleep with their own children. He made the Nuer sisters sleep with their brothers. He made the Nuer commit incest. He made the Nuer go through a lot of things. His leadership will be remembered as the worst of leadership in the history of leaders in South Sudan, because I don't think we are going to have another leader like Salva Kiir. All the bad leaders have ended with President Salva. And what I can say is, no matter what, yes, Nuer should not be always figure out that you say Nuer should do this, Nuer should do this. Nuer are South Sudanese, just like Dinkas, just like Equatorian, just like Shilluk. So you should not always come out and target the Nuer all the time. So when shame on you, and you should always know what to say on social media. You should always not come out and... When we come out and we talk, people say we are just making noise. But the things that are happening, the hate speech we are seeing, nobody is talking about them. If you are targeting Nuer, 2013,